All right. Let's start off with the daily time frame. I was perplexed as to which direction I should choose, right? Because to me, we had like a little minor support level and then two bearish candles, right? And I was like, okay, then that means we're technically bearish. But the weekly is bullish, the monthly is bullish. And the way the previous daily candle closed, if you consider this right here to be the real level of support, you know, this was tested and there's a possibility we could continue bullish. But, like, you know, it even lines up with all this liquidity to the left right here. So there's a possibility that we could continue bullish. Ideally, you would want to see a break of this trend line or a break of resistance. Right now, I do think that we could continue bullish just based off of what's happening on the 30-minute, right? We came down, price came down, found support, created an engulfing, came up. That is a double bottom. So first we have wicks, and then we have a higher low formed, right? So this could be the beginning of a bullish run, could, you know, if I'm taking into consideration the weekly flow, the monthly flow, the previous daily candle, the current daily structure. Yeah, let's put structure into there so you can see it too. Right. Running from B, right? So then we come to this level, A, from B, 38.2. Okay, then we break that level. Point A, point B. Right, 38.2. Whoa, we hit this level, but this level right here is not a break of resistance because we only made a bullish candle and then a bearish candle. It was not two bullish candles. So technically you move the fib up and then we are still technically in a very, very bullish fib, right? And then look how we had this previous daily candle on daily candle close right here on the 50% level. I'm just saying, I don't know, you know, I don't be knowing what. But yeah, it's something to think about. Because if we maintain a higher low right here, there's a possibility that price could push up a little bit, even if it's just a little bit. So going back to gold, thank God. Oh, thank God. Oh, bitch, yes. Because the way I kept getting in and out and in and out. But I got back in, right? So let's talk about that. So to me, I've been seeing this as a bearish trend the whole time. The whole time. I was just waiting for a break of support or, you know, some double tops or something to show me that price was going to start heading back bearish, right? Because to me, this looks very bearish, but we just had a really long counter trend on the smaller time frames. So on the 4-hour right now, we didn't technically break support, but, well, actually, no, yes, we did. So the way I see it though, right? But I guess the way I see it is right a lot of the times. So we have this minor support level seen on the 4-hour, right? This is just a tested level, okay? So we with that level, cool. We come up, retest. I was out of the trade before this happened because it still seemed too bullish. And this wasn't an actual break. This was a bearish candle and a bullish candle. So that just meant it was supported. But when we had, so we still have, right, this support level right here, this bearish candle, and this second bearish candle right here was what confirmed it for me. that, okay, cool, we are, I think, more bearish than bullish right now. But that was something that was seen on the 4-hour time frame, and it wasn't necessarily confirmed on the daily time frame. But technically, yes, because then we ended up having a bearish candle close, and it was actually an engulfing candle. You know, there's a lot of confluence to these bears right now. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for these sell for a long time. I'm just saying. I'm glad I took it though. But anyway, so 4-hour, and I remember Q saying, like, you know, if you're using structure on the 4-hour time frame, then you want to have the 30-minute time frame to be your breakdown time frame, right? So I've been doing that more, and it's quite helpful. So what I saw, I pulled out my fibs on this last leg right here. Yeet. Then, you know, price kept, you know, created support. Then all around here, I was just pretty much looking for a lower high, which I ended up getting. Right, so I drew, like, you know, an area of resistance right here. That's our price kept hitting this level, and it kind of broke. But then we had like an immediate test right there. And I was like, okay, on the 1 hour, we're definitely, you know, we're in this fib. Like, I'm seeing it as a fib. Because it's funny, because technically the 1 hour time frame, on if you consider this a support level, it never actually broke. It just tested. But at the same time, I saw lower highs being created, so I was like, let me just pay attention to price. And I really don't think I would have caught this if I was trading more pairs. I feel like I would have been too scatterbrained. I can get rid of this because we broke it, which is nice. So for UJ, you know, I ended up taking an extra buy. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, we are bullish. So I just put a fib on, something you can see on the 1 hour time frame. And now it's like 1 hour structure. So I'm like, okay, cool. I can use the 15-minute time frame or the 30-minute time frame as a breakdown time frame if I wanted to. So I did. So after price created this buy, this 30-minute candle, I put in the group chat to buy. But for some reason, when I took the buy, my stop loss was also like super close, so it just stopped me out at break even. So I had to re-enter when price was like up here. So it's all good, everything's fine. And then the take profit is like right here, right? We're not doing anything too crazy because it's a fib within a fib, right? On the daily time frame, yeah, we're super bullish, but this scale and entry is not a long-term, very safe move. So I would have to take profit a little bit sooner. But for all we know, you know, I feel like there's a lot of momentum in the markets right now. Like, everything's super bullish. It's looking nice. And yeah, I'm not scaling on GJ. It's too high. I'm just gonna let stuff hit take profit, and before I start scaling in even more. But yeah, that's my bias. Oh, yes, I'm so glad I'm getting better at trading, bro. It took a long time. I'm so glad to be here. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.